Hey guys, this is Steve from Trim That Weed, and welcome to our review of the Cuisinart Smart Stick Blender. Make sure to watch the video till the end to find our final verdict if this blender is worth it. Cuisinart Smart Stick Blender Overview. The Cuisinart Smart Stick Blender is a multi-purpose kitchen appliance, serving as an immersion blender, a grinder, and a whisk mixer. The blender operates on a 7.4 volts DC charge to a 300 watts motor. Although some series, such as the Cuisinart Smart Stick Blender CSB 175RP1, are corded. The cordless series has an approximate of about 20-minute uninterrupted time, whereas the corded ones can run infinitely, although they might overheat due to work overload. The blender has a variable speed controlled by a sliding control knob. Other than the knob, the blender has an on-off button and a lock button on its side, which enhances safety. Its complete package comes with a 3-cup chopper or grinder, a whisk, and a measuring mixing cup. What we liked: variable speed with sliding controls, multifunctionality, detachability. What we didn't like: its shaft is only 8 inches long and thus cannot be used with elongated containers. Features: ergonomic grip. The blender has a comfortable non-slip grip with slide controls, on-off, and lock buttons on its sides for ease of control while using. Stick design. Cuisinart Smart Stick Blender's stick design contributes an extra length to its 8-inch shaft for a deeper reach into containers. Its design makes it easily compatible with pots, pitchers, and bowls. Durability. Both the handle and the blending shaft are made up of stainless steel, a strong material resistant to wearing off and corrosion. This material grossly contributes to the blender's durability. The material is also dishwasher safe. Who is the Cuisinart Smart Stick Blender best suited for? The blender is best suited for anyone with small-scale blending chores. The manufacturer provides a user guide to the product users. Verdict: should you get the Cuisinart Smart Stick Blender? The Cuisinart Smart Stick Blender does not come with a frother as opposed to its competing products within its class. Other than that, the blender effectively outsmarts many of its competitors in terms of efficiency and reliability. Its motor is effectively designed to minimize noise generation while operational. More so, its accompanying blending jar is calibrated, giving you a sense of precision while following recipes. If you can overlook the absence of a frother on its complete pack, the Cuisinart Smart Stick Blender is your go-to appliance. Thanks for watching.